Yes, traders, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another day and another time. So I'm going to share analysis for next week, and this will be from 27th of May to the 31st of May. So it is just a 5 days market move. And I'm going to do it quickly actually so that I can touch those key highlights and make sure that you do your own analysis, at least to have confluence, and also watch analysis from other traders to confirm your entries. So I do the top-down analysis from the monthly time frame, then I go down to 4-hour time frame, and in 4-hour time frame, it's where I provide those key levels. The possible entries are provided in 4-hour time frame. So make sure that you watch this video until the end. So in monthly time frame, basically, what we see there, there's a beautiful or serious rejection that has happened this week. So basically, prices started with the movement to the upside. As I said in my previous weekend analysis, I said I expected to see price moving up to those key levels up here. Actually, I was pointing this trend line, so make sure that you remember we had this key level as the previous resistance. So I was expecting price to move up to those key levels. So we have seen the upward movement and a serious rejection to the downside. So basically, this is a clear indicator of presence of sellers around this level up here, and at the same time. Always we have left with the 5 trading days, so we cannot conclude that May candle will cross with this rejection. So anything can happen in the remaining 5 trading days. Market can slightly push to the upside, or it may continue pushing to the downside. Then quickly in weekly time frame, now let us see the key highlights in weekly time frame. So basically, as usual, three swing to the upside, correction, three swing to the upside. We are looking for another correction right here, and actually we see a clear bearish candle created this week, and it has engulfed the previous weekly candle. So now this is the bearish engulfing that may indicate a possible continuation to the downside from this level. And at the same time, now we can see divergence. Now, for those who know the fail of spike, you see this high in RSI, it corresponds with this in price chart. At the same time, we have a new high, then RSI failed to create a new high. So this is the fail of spike, is also an indicator of loss of bullish momentum. And then we have this minor support at this level. So price respected this level, has been bouncing above several times. So currently we are coming to this level. So we expect the price is going to react at this level. So what will be the reaction? Actually, in lower time frame, we will see exactly what will be the reaction. But the overall direction is we expect to complete the fourth wave down here. So the overall picture will be this level is expected to be broken. But how this is going to happen in lower time frame, now we'll see exactly how this is going to happen. Then let me go to daily time frame quickly, and in daily time frame, what we see there is there's a clear bearish momentum. Now we see those stronger 2 days consecutively bearish candles. So now these are the indicator of presence of sellers and creation of the beginning of the bearish momentum right from this level. And actually, as I said in my previous weekend analysis, below 2400 we are bearish. So we see market did the same thing, pushed the upside, but once closed below 2400, actually it is strongly continued to the downside. So even now we expect a continuation to the downside as we are looking for the fourth wave down here. And at the same time, we see a 5 wave move to the downside. Maybe I can simply indicate. Now we had the first wave, the second wave to the upside, the third wave. We are looking for the fourth to the upside, and finally we'll be completing the fifth wave down. So now this is the overall map. So let me go to 4 hour time frame, then we'll see exactly. But all in all, the 1 2 3 4 5 to the downside, the target is to create the fourth wave. So when we see 5 wave against the major trend, is the beginning of correction. So we expect now this will be an ABC correction to the downside. So if it is an ABC, so 5 wave to the downside is wave A. So wave A will be corrected by wave B to the upside, Then after wave B, we'll see wave C to the downside. So this is not going to happen next week because it is just a very long time move. So basically, next week we can expect the fourth wave to the upside, then fifth wave down, and maybe some movements of this to the upside can begin next week. But in 4 hour time frame now, we will see exactly what is expected to happen. So let me go to 4 hour time frame and see the possible moves. Now we see one, two, three, four to the upside. So let me remove this. So currently, we are looking for a possible fourth wave to the upside. And now in most case, we see we have levels down here. We have this horizontal level, then we have the dynamic support at the same level. So actually, what I expect next week you can see a sort of sideways movements before price crashes in the completion of the the fifth wave to the downside. So we'll see a sort of sideways movement. So basically, how you are going to trade next week, you can sell if you see prices moving around 2350 level, 2350 level. If you see price around 2350 level, you can sell up to now you can sell up to 2300. We have this level, it is a technical and psychological level at 2300, so you can sell up to 2300 level. And now after price has moved to 2300, what we expect now, the upward movement will begin. So we expect the price will be trending to the upside until when it hits a level here. So it is just a 2375. So in most cases around 2375, it is where price is going to hit, and it may not be next week because this movement is a long-term projection. But in most cases next week we'll be watching for a slight sideways movement, followed by a five-wave move in completion of the fifth. So now watch for sell opportunities, and after hitting a 2300, you'll be watching for short-term buy opportunities. That is a projection. So make sure that you watch the key levels, do your own analysis, watch analysis from other traders, and also consider risk management. Thank you for your time and have a powerful weekend.